Hi guys, Ryan from Huckabye here again. Today we're going to be talking about FAQ, rich results. And once again, just touching on rich results and a quick explanation of those. Those are any type of enhancement to your traditional blue links on search engines like Google. So in this instance, we can see FAQ, rich results, when we search custom spray paint. And taking a look at this link right here under My Perfect Color, you can see that these actually enhance the traditional organic results in the fact that it's a drop-down box for frequently asked questions. Those questions can be coded on the website itself, and our software can look for those. Well, how do you get those? Let's take a look. The easiest way to actually get those is if you already have them on your website, you can simply take a look at inspect the question or the answer or both, and simply add the class item. Now, multiple class items can be added to any HTML, but in this case, our software traditionally looks for the class question and the class answer. So if we take a look at this and then do an inspect on this side, we saw the question and there's the class answer. So one of the things that you need to look out for in FAQs, and why a lot of people have been losing them, is they've got duplicate FAQs across multiple pages on their websites. This is a no-no in Google's eyes. So they will actually disqualify you from showing in FAQs. So easy to get FAQs to show up specifically with our software. If for some reason you cannot get the question and answer classes in there, please reach out to our support desk at support.huckabye.com, and we can potentially program our software to look for different types of classes that are unique to your website. So once again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.